Playing with numbers. Discovering the relationship between fractions, decimals, and percentages. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a really exciting topic. Understanding the relationship between fractions, decimals, and percentages. These three are different ways to express the same value, but they each have their own unique uses and characteristics. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of these three and how they interrelate. Firstly, let's start with fractions. A fraction is a way of representing part of a whole or a set. For example, if you eat 3 out of 8 slices of pizza, you've eaten 3/8 of the pizza. In a fraction, the number above the line, the numerator, represents the parts we have, and the number below the line, the denominator, shows the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Next up, we have decimals. A decimal represents a whole number plus a fraction of another whole number. For instance, 0.75 means you have 0 whole numbers and 75 100ths, or 75%, of another whole number. A decimal number is based on the number 10, and the positions subsequent to the decimal point carry a denominator of a power of 10. Finally, let's talk about percentages. A percentage is a fraction of 100. It's that simple. The word percentage comes from the Latin percentum, which means by the hundred. So, when you say 40%, it means 40 out of 100, or 40 100ths. Now that we've explored each one individually, let's bring it all together. Fractions, decimals, and percentages are just different ways of expressing the same thing. For instance, if we take the fraction 1/2. As a decimal, 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. And as a percentage, 1/2 of something is 50% of it. See, all three express the same value, just in a different form. To convert a fraction to a decimal, you divide the numerator by the denominator. To convert a decimal to a percentage, you multiply the decimal by 100 and add the percent sign. To convert a percentage to a fraction, you make the percentage the numerator and the denominator 100, then simplify the fraction if possible. There you have it. Now, you know the relationships between fractions, decimals, and percentages, and how to convert from one form to another. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. With this knowledge, you can start to see numbers and their relationships in a whole new light. Remember, it's all about understanding that these different forms are just ways of expressing the same value. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!